Okay, welcome to today's video. As you can see, no snow anymore, but we have a ball for the dog. Aha, okay, he's not so interested in this beer thing, but let's see. We have number 6 today. It's a bottle. Barrel aged Cloven King. Oh, barley wine. I really like. Oh, yo. This is strong beer, really strong. Oi. But I really like barley wine, so that's good. Good thing for me. And here you can see the text and other things. Store cold, yes. So this is not vegan beer, but I think that's okay, and it's really strong. So good day today. Bye bye.